told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient.
In today's video, we are going to be showcasing these bedsitters going for 7,000 Kenyan shillings and 8,000 Kenyan shillings.
Okay.
It's been a while since I showcased cheap bedsitters, and today, as our last video in 2023, I'll be showcasing cheapest bedsitters. Enjoy the video.
Stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I'm...
Hello everybody, welcome back to Eve's Stories. Thank you for joining us today. If you're new here, remember to hit the subscription button as we are headed to 2,000 subscribers. Yes, we are not there yet, but I believe if you just go and subscribe, you're going to be there maybe by tomorrow.
I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you
So this is the first bedsitter I'll be showcasing.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
And as usual, we are going to be showing many available units.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
So that's your kitchen area.
As you fade away.
You have your toilet here, and this toilet has a sink inside it. So behind the door you have a sink.
As you fade away.
Yeah, so that's your sink. So the bedsitter is spacious enough, and this side you have your balcony. We're actually on the second unit if you haven't yet noticed. That's the first bedsitter we showcased. So all these bedsitters have been designed the same: balcony, then living area, your washroom on that end, and then your kitchen area. So what you haven't noticed is that you've been provided with a provision for a wardrobe. So let me just show you in this bedsitter. So at this end is your balcony.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving.
So from the balcony you can see on that corner.
I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems.
So from the balcony you can see on that corner, on this corner is where the provision of the wardrobe is. So it's just a metal where you can hang your clothes on the hanger.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head.
So the whole building has bed sitters. The only difference is that the ground bed sitters are the ones that are going for 7,000 shillings.
Up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature.
So all the bed sitters found on the ground floor are going for 7k. Then the ones that are on the upper floors are going for 8k. So the difference is that the ones on the ground floor do not have balconies.
Me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem.
So we've started with the ones that are going for 8k, and after this I'm just going to go to the ones that are going for 7k so that you can see the difference. The only problem is the houses that are on the ground floor do not have enough lighting.
Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck. Everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep. Don't give a fuck, can't stop. Unplug, feeling overwhelmed. I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy. Gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear.
So the building only has 2 floors, that is the first and the second floor.
That the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my
What is available 24/7. So normally bed sitters that have balcony are always much expensive, but this one is just like a bonus house. So if you are interested in it, you can just get details on the description box. It's only going for 8,000 or 8k. So this is your rooftop. So there is enough tanks and storage for your water. And now finally I'm going to show you how the bed sitters that are going for 7,000 look like. So this is the first bed sitter we are going to be looking at that is going for 7,000. Actually I'm only going to showcase 2.
I know you told your friends
So if you're keen enough, you'll notice that this one does not have a balcony. Then
you're not
the ones that I've showcased before have balconies. So that is why there's a difference in price.
okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And Guess you're trying to stay strong and
So this is the second unit
fake a smile.
that is going for 7,000 Kenyan shillings.
Fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment and hit that subscription button. Bye bye and see you next year on my next video.
As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace.